Look at my face.
See, ever since I lost my husband 10 years ago, I never follow man. I dey try caution them. When they follow my footsteps, but they no one follow. I know. What is that?
Jesus!
Mommy, you don't carry belly.
Yes. Jesus.
Ah!
I don't blame you now. Good. Who want body get belly?
What's up, my people? On the day with the sub, it's your boy OBIKING, and welcome back again to another episode of my comedy reaction. So first and foremost, I want to say a very big thank you to everybody that always watch me, and most especially people who watch me on TV. I see you guys, trust me, and I really appreciate. You understand? I see you guys, I know you watch me on TV. So in this video, if you know you watch me on TV, just make sure to put it down there in the comment section. Just try as much as possible to write it, because I know it's difficult writing from the TV. So just try as much as possible to put it down there. See, now on TV I watch you, you understand? So thank you very much, I appreciate it. And people coming across my channel for the very first time will never subscribe. I bet I do the need for subscribe. It is very important, you understand? So, but people, don't play. Let's go have some fun. Funnybros, where they go? Let me do the water challenge. Man, if it's funny, I'll put the water in my mouth and try not to laugh.
Sit down. Follow my gifters, guys. Naked money, I see you. Hey, Kudati. Go. Another person will do something. You go push another person. Everybody, on your knees. Any gift you give me now is times 2. One lion!
Bye, Pierre.
Wake up! Wake up!
Jesus! Do you mean he's not breathing?
He's not breathing.
What is happening?
I've
warned you separately about this your anger issue.
Put your phone in that school. You come to school with your phone.
I'm so what? I've told you several times. Report.
I give him lion. And now we are lion. What's lion? I'm calling me back.
Stop! Hey! Who flogged my son Ibudu to death? The one that will replace me when I'm gone. See if I predicted this. So it's... Where is he? Let me see. Where is that teacher? Let me see.
I never swallow this water back. See this nonsense teacher, this guy
In
again.
regards to what I promised you, I'm going to take you out from this compound. What? Thank you very much, my good friend. No. This place is too local for you to believe. Hey, thank you very much. That reminds me, I need a good teacher that will be teaching my only child. I don't mind paying him any amount. Even, I have the budget of 500,000 for the person week. Hello, good day. Good day. No, actually, I'm new in this company. I'm familiar with your neighbors. Hey! Shh, I'm a teacher. You know what I hate about students? You teach them, you nurture them, they forget about you. Do you know Bikubana? Yes. He was not coping till I taught him. You tell him to find X, he finds W. Is it good? No. Is it good? No. Is it good? No. Is your son smart? By the grace of God, he can cope. Let's go.
Funnybros, you know that. I don't know him, but from what he's saying, seems he's good.
Alright, please be very careful.
Alright, bye-bye.
From buying somebody to getting another job.
Where is he?
See him over there.
So please, try your best. Make sure he improves. Like I told you, money is not a problem. I'm capable. I'll be right back. Let me get something inside. Okay? Start something. Start! How are you?
Aba ate. Aba ate.
I swear. Money is not a problem. I'm capable. Repeat after me. 2 + 2 = 7.
This one works. Hey, the man don't find and come. Hey. This guy has something else. Funnybros, you the man. You don't do now. Please share, man. It's very important. Shaggy.
This can't really be this one. I bet when you go with it. I don't tell you for like 5 minutes now. It won't no shit. Hello, Oga. Alpha, where you dey now? Oga, see, if 1 minute you never reach here, they go do 1 minute silence for you. Hey!
1 minute silence for who you the wine?
1 minute, not 10.
Nah, I feel. This one, I feel.
Say, Oga, you want break my glass? I think I give you hammer. Don't sit down for front, John.
I know my rights as a passenger. Now back, I won't sit down. Open the door, make I enter. What's this?
You wait, enter, Gade, one day. I don't panic.
Say no, my right.
How's that? Why your seatbelt not dey work now?
Now, why your blood dey hot? That seatbelt no dey work. No worry, everything dey alright.
Anyway, me I no first like seatbelt. I no trust you before. Then I feel jump out of emergency. Go. Be here, I'm in this.
Oga, no shot from you. No shot from you. Now mood me I dey take walk. I don't carry 50 passengers this year, and I don't get accident with all of them. I leave me there alive. So you better the way you follow me talk. Talk with me respectful.
Okay. He's well with me.
I thought you like our issue. I will prepare guys.
I can't stop, I stand up. See class, don't be brand boss. If you don't time, they to catch up. You never tell to stop, it's not one job.
Who be this person where they come when I dey work?
Let me tell you, distraction before distraction. Stay focused on Zion.
Distraction be the guy never reach like that.
Stay focused, son of Zion. Now word be that.
Oga, no be your number, be this number still they call me now. I be no be your number.
Are you serious?
See, Mumu.
That's true. Because it in my pocket. Let me take it out.
Hello, who be this?
Oga, where you dey now? Why you can't start trip when I never enter car?
Hey, wrong number.
Which kind of wrong number? No be you, be Shaggy. I tell you, give me 1 minute till I dey come. I don't dey Which kind of hair driver be this one?
Wait, so where how can?
Now you sabi that one.
Hello? Drop me here. This is my destination.
Destination called Destination code. Oga, who you be?
Drop me here now. I know my right.
He said I know my right.
I be got 1 point this one. Hey, this is I talk at the joke with you.
You know, this morning I stepped out of my door. I said to the Lord, heading for a crusade, Lord, there's no transport. And the Lord said, by faith, order a ride and just go. And here I am at the destination.
Okay, so now the Lord say make you enter a ride.
Yes.
You know what the Lord they tell me now?
No.
The Lord say you should enter my place. The Lord say make I carry you go police station straight someone.
Can you imagine? But Shaggy, even you no get sense.
When I don't know.
When I too no get sense.
I called this meeting because when they happen for this compound, I don't like them again. Another way, NEPA they bring light. Other compound they get, we will not get. Because somebody get mine, climb the pole, cut our NEPA wire away to give us light. So now we're there for darkness. Wow. Which kind of nonsense thing be this one now?
People are heartless.
After we don't plan, say we'll go put fence for this compound. We buy security wire, we'll go put for the fence so that people know they get access to our compound. Somebody say, get mine, thief that security wire.
Just imagine.
Who that thing with this one now? And I know the thief not in this compound though. It will be from our side. So this is not too much bad. So just say we'll go meet us back. May they help us the look for this compound. So we'll catch that thief.
Young man, talk to me. Where did you keep that wire? Are they like thief? Young man, if I say a thief, I will know now. I'm not a child.
Okay, what's happen now? Why they accusing the same person? And I thief am.
I wonder.
Oh, this relationship one of the
guy be like,
I was supposed to.
Hey, all this thing what una they do, una they run through corner. This kind of matter, na matter was supposed to carry go juju. Man, as a more deal with them.
Mazi, keep the fetish life.
Please, let's leave juju. We have a living God.
Now you are God.
Nobody accuse
Sabinus, now you the thief.
Aboki. Wait. I dey come, wait.
Why is he calling Aboki?
You want to sell scrap, give her.
Aboki, how much you go buy this wire? My papa bring her yesterday night. Check and where he did normal.
Oh,
Jesus.
now
I
you
go
dey-
need cash.
Sabinus, no be your son be this way carry never wire.
My son? Are you sure?
Jesus, what is this? How did I bring it to this world? This point.
You, they go now, they go.
From the look of this moment, no fit climb that pole, go cut that wire. Sabinus, now you think the wire.
Oh, Jesus.
Not really, but most times, give him the wire now.
Ah, babe, what is it?
Guess what?
What is it?
I'm pregnant.
Baby, I will give you anything like a sunflower.
You don't get better.
How many weeks the belly now?
I'm just joking. It's a prank.
Your head not correct.
Babe, what's all this now? I was wondering, I left you 4 months ago. Who can give you belly? Stop playing with me, oh.
You carry belly through.
You get belly?
Yes. Jesus. Baby, I can explain.
Another story.
Hello, hello. I left your daughter since 4 months ago. Now she don't get belly, and I know she not me give her that belly. So you better call your daughter.
You see? Jesus! When I see this girl, when I carry for the family, I now when I start don't get belly. Just like me.
Hey, this one no. No.
No, I understand.
Look at my face.
See, ever since I lost my husband 10 years ago, I never follow man. I dey try caution them. Now they follow my footsteps, but they no one follow. I know. What is that?
Hey, hey.
Mommy, you don't carry belly.
Yes. Jesus.
Hey.
Jesus.
Family of belly. Ah,
I don't blame you now.
belly on top belly.
Oh, my body get belly.
Hey, oh, see how it can fly.
Ah, mommy, what did happen?
Oh my God.
Which kind of family be this?
Okay, back to you. Okay, back here. That's okay. We are here. Okay, soldier. Thank you for your service. God bless you. The way you are carrying gun up and down to protect us, God will protect you too. I have a son. His name is Kayode. I wanted him to be a soldier. But later, I later changed my mind because keep on lost someone. God bless you people for me. So I now told him to go and learn tailor. It's not a tailor. On question now. UBA pharmacy. You know that UBA pharmacy? His shop is there. How about it now? Have you been shot before?
Look at my face.
Okay. It's like you're not in the mood today. That's okay. Hello? I'm at the location, sir. Hello? Network. I understand what's going on, It's in my car. You cannot find network here. Okay. There's not always network in my car, but I know a perfect angle where you can find network. Really, give it to me. Give it to me. See here like this, You'll see network here. It will be
They'll carry this phone. I know the person will carry him.
What was that iPhone? iPhone 16 Pro Max.
Hey.
That for sharing now. Hey. You know what? Change this location now to Bonnie Camp. You want to go and pick your colleague? When you get to the park, you will understand. Back. Oga, back.
My guy.
I don't want to know who you are, please. Just back.
Governor Muneke.
I'm not coming anywhere, please. I must search every car today being election day. I don't care who you are, whether you're governor or councillor. Back. Officer Bob, search this car. This one come here to play.
Person gonna come empty head, ballot box.
Okay, now ballot box there here. This is what.
How the work they be now? Don't say as the country be now. I know as the country be. Now we they make them be like that. It's our work. No verse say I stop you before. No, now what do you expect? A hungry man is an angry man.
That's what.
Okay, I am Officer Bob, and this is risky.
This is $100.
Clear. Come, Officer Bob, arrest this young boy. Arrest him immediately. Arrest him and take him to the station. When you get there, find out what it is.
When you get there, find out what it is.
Okay? One more thing.
Wait a minute.
Oh, God. Citizens rejoice at the governor's tenant continues. And so, Chifa Muneko, ATC wins all local government.
Let's watch the video.
This guy is
I
something
have
else.
1 or 2 things to tell you. Let's watch the video.
Small boy with a big man. You know like me can give him stress. So Kirikou no they take nonsense.
My pikin, what's happen? What did they find?
I the first something.
The thing where they find no get it.
You know if you understand. Now ring.
Ring. Small pikin like you, what did they use ring do?
You get one man.
Do I know?
You get money. He said not serious for it. He said anybody will feel fair now. He go give the person 10 million.
This is shocking. 10 million.
Yes, now.
Where you they stay for around this place?
Where they stay not too far. Next to us.
See. I go suggest to make you no find the ring again. He no give you anything like number where you fit take call and if you see the ring.
Give me number.
You want the see? You want the see?
No need to find the ring again. I go find them by myself. By the time I see the ring, I go come meet you for us. Then me and you go call the man.
Okay, call me. Oh.
I go call you.
Are you whining yourself?
You want for him for a mine and shit. You want the see? You want the see?
What do you know about money? What do you want his money to?
You don't see her. That's more about those here.
I will call you back. I will come tomorrow. I will call you back. Small boy. Come. Now what be that?
Now ring.
Now where you from, sir?
Now there.
You see, my friend lost his wedding ring. Give me the ring.
Where?
Because my friend gets him. You know, say wedding ring. Well, you know, understand. Be small picking. Wedding ring. It is very, very important for people's life. Give me the ring now.
You go find me small thing.
That one is small thing now. I go give you.
You don't want?
Give me. Just give me.
Don't be small thing. Many things.
That one no be problem. Come inside. I go give you everything. That finish?
Yes.
Give me the ring now. Picky, thank you.
Don't mention.
Small for body.
Nice one. How many ring you make? 4.
Hey!
Tomorrow, we'll go to the next shop.
Hey! Laugh! Plan! See plan! They don't use human brain. Kirikou don't use this human brain.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 numbers! Hey! This should have scam me. This should have scam me.
You go faint. You go faint. Body go tell you.
Greedy woman. You take
Kirikou. When I go see bread and kesha.
What's the question? Be asked as well to see bread and sardine.
All this mobile all they also. Nice one. Okay. When you see to, body go tell you. Nothing is not the also. Hello. Auntie, I don't hear you. I don't send you my. I don't send the address now. They come now. Neighbor, what's happened? Okay. Now my senior sister, he say small boy, they just do banana.
Hey.
You be soldier. I dey tell you. The rest I say that 2 pounds.
Hey.
Alpha, see, I deal with you. We'll go find them. We'll find them. We'll go find them. Don't worry.
Too small boy just come my shop. That's what I carry. Why you the owner now? Not me scam me and I don't see small boys that scam me.
This one, their senior brother.
Now this I was going to do with that. All of them are thief. None of them
Hey, bros, I beg. We be neighbor. We go reason one on one.
This one not matter of neighbor. I go mash you today. I go carry you go get through like this. I go squeeze you. Yo.
But how soldier will come to live for that kind shanty? Ashanti be that. What's the story they do for inside shanty? They know they pay you well.
If you see and they come, give respect. Oh, why? Talk about that check.
Good day, sir.
Good day, my brother.
I'm sorry to bother you.
Yes?
Yeah, if you take a very good look
at me, you won't beg.
Say that I'm not a beggar.
You won't beg.
Yeah, from head to toe. I'm doing well for myself. You know? But sir, I need your help. My wife just put to bed triplets. And as I talk to you, the government is threatening to take those kids away from me because I can't take care of them. You can imagine life. Anything you can help me with just so I can discharge my family from the hospital, I would really appreciate. Nothing is too big, nothing is too small. I'm not begging you, I'm just asking. Yes, sir.
Excuse me, Mr. Man. Good day.
Okay. I got here before you. Sir, please don't be offended.
Mr. Man, are you not?
Who are you?
Junior, is it the type of friends you keep?
He's not my friend though. I don't know him before. He's not my friend.
Is your father?
That's my daddy now.
Oh, Jesus. Daddy, good day, sir. Yes, I'm sorry to bother you. If you take a very good look at me.
As I look, you saw they move. As I look, you saw they move.
You just said I'm a fellow beggar.
And if you look back now, Google look you.
What baby you are. But now, but what the
it is said I'm a fellow beggar. He said I got here before you.
Okay. This one, answer what they come from now. What tip what I get to come out from? Why they do like this? Which road did they hear? Which she follow come outside? Like I like to come now. Which road she think follow come outside? Those things. We didn't point like this. It ask me where come out. Maybe na peace to get.
Mommy water.
Where the road where she follow come outside like this now?
Go ask your grandfather.
Where the road where she pass? But now boy sleep that thing. Not get with your eyes. See what the cry blood. Unquiz me. No. Unquiz me.
Unquiz me.
Wait.
Pio.
Hey.
Run.
Pio. Pio.
I tell you.
Pio.
My life. You must look Daniel. You must follow Daniel.
This life.
Hey, can I come out? Hey, God. Voila. Now, waiting yash the cause. Person tell you, say, road no dey that side. Say this girl na mami water she be. You say no. You follow yash. I know we say the yash there too big like that. The yash dey big go. Takes time big, sha. The yash makes sense, man. No lie. Anyways, thanks my people for watching to the very end. I really appreciate it. What's your favorite part of the video? Please drop it right in the comment section. And do not forget, like I said before this video, if you're watching me from the TV, indicate down below. From a mobile, indicate down below. I would really love to see that. You understand? Check out my other videos. There's so many videos on my channel. Check them out. They're so beautiful. You'll love them. Trust me on that. And please subscribe. It's important. See you in the next one, my people. Peace and love.